Aging is something every man faces, but not every man faces it the same way. Some seem to hold on to their energy, strength, and mental sharpness well into their 50 seconds or 60 seconds, while others start to feel older much earlier. And no, it's not just genetics. Science now shows that your lifestyle and nutritional habits can directly influence how fast or slow your body ages. Among those habits, supplementation, when done correctly and backed by research, can become a real weapon in the fight against premature aging. So today, here on Health Improviser, we'll explore the science-backed anti-aging supplements that every man should know about, the ones that have real research behind them, proven benefits, and practical results that help you not just live longer, but stay stronger, smarter, and more alive at every age. Let's start with the one that's almost impossible to ignore. Omega-3 fatty acids. They're the unsung heroes of cellular health. You've probably heard about fish oil, but few realize just how deep the connection between omega-3 seconds and aging runs. These healthy fats, particularly EPA and DHA, protect your cell membranes from oxidative damage, lower inflammation, and even preserve the length of your telomeres, those tiny caps at the end of your DNA that directly control how your cells age. Studies published in journals like JAMA and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that men who consistently consume omega-3 seconds have lower risks of cognitive decline, better cardiovascular health, and reduced inflammation, all key factors in slowing down the biological clock. The takeaway? Omega-3 seconds aren't just for heart health. They're essential if you want to maintain vitality and youthfulness on a cellular level. And the best part? It's not hard to get them. 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or a high-quality fish oil supplement that provides at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA daily, can make a measurable difference over time. Next, let's talk about coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, one of the most underrated supplements men overlook. CoQ10 is like the spark plug of your body's energy engine. It's found in every cell, especially in your heart and muscles, where it helps convert nutrients into usable energy. But here's the issue: as we age, our natural production of CoQ10 drops sharply. This decline means less energy, slower recovery after workouts, and increased fatigue. Research published in Biofactors shows that supplementing with CoQ10 not only improves energy levels and heart health, but also boosts the body's antioxidant defenses, protecting your skin and organs from oxidative stress. For men in their 30 seconds and beyond, adding CoQ10 isn't about chasing youth, it's about restoring your body's natural energy potential that begins to fade with age. Another major player is vitamin D, sometimes called the sunshine hormone. It's far more than a vitamin. It acts like a hormone, influencing over 200 genes in your body. Low vitamin D levels have been linked with everything from depression to low testosterone, weak immunity, and even accelerated aging. Men who don't get enough sunlight or who spend most of their days indoors are especially vulnerable. In fact, studies show that up to 70% of men worldwide are deficient in vitamin D. Supplementing with vitamin D3, particularly in the range of 2,000 to 4,000 IU daily, depending on your blood test levels, can strengthen your bones, boost your immunity, and maintain hormonal balance, all critical elements of a slower aging body. Now, let's turn to something that often gets overshadowed: magnesium. It's one of those minerals that's quietly running hundreds of processes in your body every second. It regulates sleep, muscle function, nerve health, and energy production. But studies suggest that over 60% of men don't get enough magnesium from their diets. Chronic magnesium deficiency doesn't just make you tired, it actually accelerates the aging process by increasing oxidative stress and inflammation. Supplementing with magnesium glycinate or citrate, forms that are easily absorbed, can improve sleep quality, support testosterone production, and even help maintain a healthy heart rhythm, all key signs of youth and vitality. When it comes to antioxidant power, one of the most impressive discoveries of modern nutrition is resveratrol, the compound found in red wine, grapes, and berries. It's famous for activating what scientists call the longevity gene, SIRT1. This gene helps regulate cellular repair and metabolic health, essentially keeping your cells younger for longer. Resveratrol works as a molecular shield against free radicals and helps reduce inflammation that causes premature aging. While drinking wine isn't the solution, taking a daily supplement of resveratrol, the most active form, in doses around 200–400 milligrams, can mimic some of the life-extending effects observed in calorie-restricted diets without actually starving yourself. Closely related to resveratrol is nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, one of the most promising breakthroughs in anti-aging science. NMN is a direct precursor to NAD+, a coenzyme that fuels nearly every cellular process in your body. The bad news is that NAD+ levels drop dramatically as you age. By the time you hit your 50 seconds, they can be half of what they were in your 20 seconds. The result? Slower metabolism, weaker muscles, and fatigue. But supplementing with NMN has been shown in clinical studies to restore NAD+ levels, leading to improved mitochondrial function, better DNA repair, and higher energy production. It's no exaggeration to say NMN is one of the most powerful anti-aging molecules currently being studied, and it's one supplement every man serious about longevity should at least learn about. Let's not forget collagen, the most abundant protein in your body and the structural foundation for your skin, joints, and connective tissue. As men age, collagen production decreases by about 1% per year after the age of 30. That means by 50, you're producing 20% less than you did in your youth, which is why wrinkles deepen, skin loses elasticity, and joints start to ache. Collagen supplements, particularly hydrolyzed collagen peptides, have been shown in multiple studies to improve skin hydration, elasticity, and reduce joint pain. Taking around 10 grams daily, ideally with vitamin C to boost absorption, can significantly improve how your body feels and looks from the inside out. Another underrated but powerful nutrient is zinc. Zinc plays a vital role in testosterone production, immune function, and cellular repair, all crucial aspects of healthy aging in men. Deficiency can lead to low libido, slow recovery, and even depression. Supplementing with zinc gluconate or zinc picolinate at around 15 to 30 milligrams daily can maintain hormonal health and protect against immune decline, particularly important as you get older. Finally, let's talk about the brain. One of the biggest fears men have as they age isn't just wrinkles or muscle loss, it's losing mental sharpness. That's where lion's mane mushroom comes in. This natural nootropic has been shown to stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein essential for brain cell repair and regeneration. Regular supplementation with lion's mane can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance, according to several peer-reviewed studies in neuroscience journals. For men in their 40 seconds and beyond, it's one of the best natural ways to keep your mind as young as your body. When you step back and look at the science behind all these supplements, a clear picture emerges. Aging isn't a sudden drop. It's a gradual decline that can be slowed or even partially reversed with the right interventions. Supplements alone won't make you immortal, but when paired with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep, they can dramatically improve how you age, how you look, and how you feel. And that's what modern longevity science is all about. Not chasing eternal youth, but optimizing human potential at every stage of life. So, the next time you think about getting older, remember this: your biological clock isn't fixed. With the right knowledge and consistency, you can take back control one smart supplement at a time.